remove this plastic box from here, I need to disconnect all those wires from all the different places, which I am not willing to do. I have decided just to cut a piece out like this so the cables can come out. First I'm going to drain all the fluid I can, then I'm going to release those two lines here and some fluid will come out. So those two nuts you need to release, and here is the pin which is connected directly with your braking pedal. So to release this nut you need socket 13. There is one. Here is two. Okay, there is a pin there. Just take a flat screwdriver like this, you just take it out like that. To be able to take this one out, you will need to release this ABS system because it's in the way. I'm going to remove this master cylinder first, and then I will try to wiggle it in, and then after we'll put this back to its place. So now I'm going to tighten those two nuts here, but it's going to be under there. It's difficult to film for me now. I'm going to do it quickly. It's just two bolts here, like so. Now I can continue the job on the other side, but before I do so, I will also put that pin back to its place. So it's actually to secure your pedal from on this side. Yes, you just put it in like that, and that pin here, which is connected to your brake pedal, will be secured as well. Now, master cylinder, you have here two lines that are going in here, and don't forget your sensors. basically repair is finished. Now you need to bleed your brakes. I have at least 2 videos how you properly should do this. That's it, I'm going to bleed the brakes and then I will do my test drive and it's okay.
Okay.